Hi, my name's Joanne. I'm a 52-year-old yoga teacher and mother of 4, and I usually teach classes in a small market town in Suffolk. I'm talking to you right now in the first week of our government's lockdown or confinement to our homes. I know that many of my students were very concerned that they wouldn't be able to continue their yoga practice throughout this time period, and I promised that I would find some way of being able to reach them in their homes. There are a few general rules. Please make sure you have a good 2 meters worth of space around you and that there's nothing breakable in your way. You can stand by a wall if you need to help with your balance and things like that. You don't need any complicated equipment for yoga. If you don't have a mat, that's no problem. Blocks, straps, all those things. You can practice yoga without any of those things. If you are under 16, please just make sure you have a guardian nearby, preferably in the same room. Most of all, we come to yoga to escape the world, to escape what's going on out there. So please enjoy your yoga. If there's something you can't do, watch it first. Feel free to message me if you would like any further clarification. I can see what I can do. But most of all, enjoy it. Yoga practice is not a competition. Yoga practice is personal. Yoga practice is your friend, your sanity, everything that will keep you going through any kind of life crisis. I don't teach any complicated positions in yoga. I like yoga to appeal to everyone, not just those of us that are super flexible or ex-gymnasts or dancers. Everyone can benefit from yoga. It builds strength, flexibility, strength of mind, and it most of all connects your mind with your body. And I hope that if you're listening to my classes, that during that time you don't think of anything else but your yoga. Good luck. And to those of you that are my existing students, I totally expect to see you all on the mat as soon as all this is over. Goodbye.